Hi, I'm Sally Thibault, and I wanted to share with you a little bit more about the Lighter event coming up in a couple of weeks' time. And in particular, I want to share a little bit of methodology behind Lighter and why this new program is so different. I have been in the health and wellness areas now for well over 3 decades as a counsellor, a professional speaker, a coach, EFT practitioner, and a fitness instructor. And this Lighter journey is all about bringing all aspects of that into a process that is both sustainable and simple. Lighter is about healing the relationship between food, weight, and your body so that you can release the weight that no longer serves you, first emotionally and then physically. Everybody that comes on this Lighter journey with me says exactly the same thing. I feel so much lighter. And when I feel lighter, I make different decisions. Everything seems far more simple. Now, the Lighter methodology works in 4 parts. Number 1, we talk about you as an individual, because who you are and what you need to do is so different from the person next to you. And that if you're following some cookie cutter program, it may work for you at the beginning, but usually it won't work towards the end. So we have working on you as an individual, very important about who you are and how you're caring for yourself, what's going on in your world, how do you adapt all the things that you need to do simply and strategically in order for you to keep energy levels high, motivation high, and feeling just lighter. The second part of it is intuitive eating. Now, your intuition is a very powerful aspect of this. And for many of us, especially if you've been dieting for a long time in your life, you will do this whole good food, bad thing. You'll reach for something to eat and then think, hang on a minute, wait. Automatically you go fat, grams, calories, good food, bad food. It'll just automatically go on your head. But what we do in Lighter is I reteach you how to trust your intuition, to step away from the little itty bitty shitty committee that lives in your head that's telling you all the time about judgment, and to learn to trust your wisdom, which is the most powerful thing you have. The third part is what we call intentional. And this is where we look at how you set intentions to do something and all the things that come up and stop you from achieving that intention. So that could be the self-sabotage, procrastination, the imposter syndrome, your worth and your value. That's all in this aspect of it. And this part, number 3, often drives every single decision. So it's a really critical aspect of anything we do in Lighter. And the 4th aspect is what we call informed. And informed is where you relearn how your body feels when you eat certain foods in particular. So, you get into the sense of feeling, okay, when I eat this thing, later on I feel low in energy, or I don't feel good, or it feels perfect for me. That's that part. So there's four parts of the Lighter methodology. There's individual, there's intuitive, there's intentional, and informed. All 4 have to work together, and that's exactly what I'll be teaching at the Lighter event coming up in a couple of weeks' time. I know the early bird's finishing in a few days or so. Click on the link, and I'd love to see you there.